Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that separates the consistently profitable traders from everyone else. It's a concept you've probably heard thrown around a lot, trading in the zone. What does it actually mean? Is it some kind of mystical state? Or is it something tangible, something you can learn and master? I'm here to tell you it's absolutely the latter, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get there. So let's break it down. Trading in the zone is a mental state where you execute your trading plan flawlessly, without hesitation, fear, or greed clouding your judgment. It's a state of peak performance where you're not overthinking, you're not second-guessing, and you're certainly not revenge trading. You are simply one with the market flow, executing your strategy with the precision of a trained surgeon. It's not about being right on every single trade. It's about having a mindset that allows your statistical edge to play out over time without emotional interference. Think about a professional athlete, a basketball player shooting a free throw in the final seconds of a game. The crowd is roaring, the pressure is immense, but they're calm. They're not thinking about missing. They're not thinking about the crowd. They are focused solely on the process, the muscle memory they've built through thousands of hours of practice. That's the zone. For traders, our free throw is clicking the buy or sell button. The crowd is our own internal noise of fear and greed. The biggest obstacle standing between most traders and the zone is emotion. Let's be honest. How many times have you entered a trade, saw it go a little bit against you, and immediately panicked and closed it, only to watch it reverse and hit your original target? Or maybe you had a winning trade, but you got greedy, held on for too long hoping for more, and watched your profits evaporate. This is your emotional mind hijacking your rational, strategic mind. Fear makes you miss good opportunities, and greed makes you ruin the ones you catch. This is where the most important word in trading comes into play. Discipline. Discipline is the bridge that takes you from knowing what to do to actually doing it, consistently. You can have the best trading strategy in the world, with a 90% win rate in backtesting. But if you don't have the discipline to follow its rules in the live market, it's completely worthless. Discipline is what forces you to wait for your perfect setup, to enter at the right price, to set a stop loss, and most importantly, to honor that stop loss. So how do we build this unbreakable discipline? It starts with having a rock-solid trading plan. Your plan is your constitution, your rulebook. It must define exactly what your entry criteria are, what your exit criteria are for both profit and loss, and how you will manage your risk on every single trade. It should be so clear and objective that there's no room for interpretation in the heat of the moment. If you have to ask yourself, should I enter now? Your plan isn't specific enough. It should be a simple checklist. If condition A, B, and C are met, then I will execute action X period. Once you have your plan, the next step is building trust in it. And you don't build trust by just hoping it works. You build it through rigorous backtesting and then forward testing on a demo account. You need to see with your own eyes, through data, that your strategy has a positive expectancy. You need to prove to yourself that if you follow the rules over a large series of trades, you will come out ahead. This data-driven confidence is your armor against fear and self-doubt when you're trading with real money. Now let's talk about the practical side of entering the zone during your trading day. It begins before you even look at a chart. You need a pre-market routine. Just like an athlete warms up, you need to warm up your mind. This could involve reviewing your trading plan, journaling your thoughts, doing a short meditation to calm your mind, or even some light physical exercise. The goal is to show up to your trading desk in a calm, focused, and objective state, not rushed, stressed, or emotionally compromised from something that happened earlier in your day. During the trading session, your focus must be on execution, not on the outcome of any single trade. This is a crucial mental shift. Your job is not to make money. Your job is to execute your plan perfectly. The money is simply the byproduct of excellent execution over time. Obsessing over the profit and loss of one trade creates emotional attachment. Instead, see each trade as just one of 1,000 data points. Whether it wins or loses is irrelevant in the grand scheme. What matters is, did you follow your plan? This is why a trading journal is non-negotiable. After every trading day, you must review your trades. But you're not just looking at the profits or losses. You're grading your discipline. For each trade, ask yourself, did I follow my entry rule? Did I set my stop loss according to my plan? Did I take profit where I was supposed to? Did I let any emotions influence my decisions? This process of self-review is where true growth happens. It's how you identify your psychological weaknesses and consciously work on them. If you notice a pattern of closing trades too early out of fear, you can create a specific rule or affirmation to counteract that in your next session. Another key aspect of staying in the zone is managing your environment. This means eliminating distractions. Turn off your phone notifications. Close unnecessary tabs on your browser. Let your family or roommates know that you need uninterrupted focus during your trading hours. Your trading space should be a sanctuary of focus. The more external noise you allow, the easier it is for internal noise, your emotions, to take over. Let's also be real about losses. Losses are a part of this business. They are not a reflection of your worth as a trader. The best traders in the world have losing trades, losing days, and even losing weeks. What separates them is how they react. A professional sees a loss as a business expense, a piece of data. An amateur sees it as a personal failure, which triggers a spiral of revenge trading and bigger losses. To enter the zone, you must accept uncertainty. You must accept that you can do everything right and still lose on a trade. That's probability. Your edge doesn't guarantee a win on any single trade. It just tilts the odds in your favor over many trades. Embracing this probabilistic mindset is liberating. It detaches your ego from the outcome. When you truly understand and accept this, the fear of being wrong vanishes. And when that fear is gone, you are free to execute your plan with clarity and confidence. You start trading the market, not your own P&L. You focus on the process, not the prize. And paradoxically, that is when the prize, consistent profitability, starts to find you. So to recap the steps to trading in the zone: first, build a detailed, objective trading plan, your personal rulebook. Second, build unshakable confidence in that plan through extensive testing. Third, develop a pre-market routine to get your mind right before you start. Fourth, focus solely on flawless execution of your plan, not the outcome of any single trade. Detach your ego. Fifth, maintain a detailed journal to review your performance and hold yourself accountable. And finally, accept loss as a part of the game and embrace a probabilistic mindset. This isn't an overnight transformation. It's a journey. It requires conscious effort and daily practice. But every time you follow your plan despite feeling scared, you strengthen your discipline muscle. Every time you walk away after hitting your stop loss without revenge trading, you are programming yourself for success. Trading in the zone isn't a magical gift. It's a skill you build one disciplined trade at a time. Start today, focus on the process, and you will unlock a level of trading you never thought possible. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you on your trading journey. Let me know in the comments what your biggest struggle with discipline is. Let's help each other out. See you in the next video.